It's getting to be that time of year when we get a jump start on holiday shopping and, more importantly, holiday bargains. And WestPoint Home wants to thank you with a 50% off holiday savings sale on everything in the store for the rest of the year. That's right, 5 full weeks from Monday, November 29th through Sunday, January 2nd, 2022, with 50% off everything in the store. And to make the holiday even sweeter, WestPoint Home is offering 60% off on all clearance items. Get name brand designs at a fraction of the cost at the big box stores, with a whopping 50% off everything in the store and 60% off all clearance items. Luxurious absorbent towels, silky sheets, fluffy pillows, and accessories for your home, condo, or vacation getaway. Start your holiday gift shopping or give your home a holiday makeover without breaking the bank. It's the WestPoint Home Bed & Bath Factory Outlet big holiday savings sale from Monday, November 29th through Sunday, January 2nd, 2022. Main Street in downtown Chipley, Florida, just a mile north of I-10 at exit 120, and let the WestPoint Home holiday savings sale begin.